Okay, this is a 2017 Mercedes Benz GLS450. We're going to take a look at both methods for folding down the back seats and the middle seats here, the second and third row seating. So you'll see right by the headrest here, we're on the driver's side. If we hit this button, you'll see it's going to actually fold down, roll that seat forward, and then move the front seats, the driver and the passenger seats up. Now if we go back around this vehicle and we hit that button over here on the passenger side, it's going to do something similar. We'll take that remaining third, fold it down, roll it forward, and the driver's side and passenger seats were already moved forward. You can see it's much easier to get to these back seats now. Now to fold the back seats down, what we can do is we can go around here, and you'll see actually on the passenger side there's a little cargo cover. You'll see left and right. So I'm going to take this button, just pull it down, or sorry, push it up there, and that's going to fold down the driver's side. And then we'll go over here to the passenger side, push that up, and you'll see at this point we've folded down the third row seating, the back seats. We've got the middle seats folded up. There's this cargo piece. To remove the cargo piece, you can see we can actually just pull that. If we do that, it's easier with two hands, but you can see here we can move that to the side, take that out. You've got a good amount of space. Right now, one thing that I wanted to show as well was the manual process. So you don't have to use the electronic buttons for these middle seats. I'm gonna reach over, snap those back into place. So you could leave the seats like this. You're just trying to fit an appliance or a piece of furniture or whatnot. See, this is relatively flat. But these seats, if the middle seats were up here, rather than hitting this button, if we wanted to, you can use this lower pull. This is on the driver's side. That's gonna fold it halfway. Just fold it down, but not roll it forward. To roll it forward, you'll see there's this pull here as well. And we can do that on the passenger side also. So let me do that quickly. So just like on the driver's side, on the passenger side, we've got a pull here. That folds it down. There's that pull that rolls it forward. There you go. Okay, thanks a lot for watching.